Doing this again. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video playing Animal Crossing New Horizons. In the last episode, which wasn't recorded long ago, I was doing some diving to try and get the lobster. Tried to get to 100 creatures caught, and I mean, I made good progress. I am at 100 creatures that have been caught now. The only issue is I can't find the lobster. And also, I could have found it. I could have found it ages ago. I've just been struggling a lot to find it, like a lot. So I didn't have anything else to do today, so I just came on and decided to record another video. And to be fair, the island does look nice when it's snowing at night. I really like it. So I've got to donate this oarfish that I caught earlier. And then gonna go do some diving. This is undoubtedly an oarfish. Now, might interest in a few fascinating facts about your oarfish. I'm a bit busy, Blathers. I see. Another time, perhaps. Well then, let me assure you, we shall take very good care of your donation. Might I help you with anything else? I'm fine, mate. Jolly good. Please enjoy the rest of your visit. I'll try. I'll really try. But yeah, so all I'm going to do today is just dive. Like that's all I'm going to try and do, and I'm hoping that I can, I'm hoping that I can finally find a lobster, because I'm worried. I want to get it. I know I have another shot at getting it this year, so it's not that bad. But I want to find it. I want to find it, like, now. Because it's worrying me that I have, like, that I can't. It's really worrying me that I can't, and I wish I knew how to find it, but I cannot find it. Like, I've found so many creatures. I've found 60 after the catch limit, and it cannot be found. I got some seaweed. Oh, hello, Gulliver. I didn't realise he was on my beach. Hello. Weigh anchor, check its blood pressure. Who's your provider? Alright, I think I just need to twat him with this. No, you walk the plank. Oh, come on, get up. Oh, he's up, okay. Good morning, or evening, Vision's fuzzy. How are you this fine, whatever time of day it is? So is that my favourite landlubber, Jake? It is, ahoy. Good thing your head is so huge, make it so pretty easy to identify your blurry silhouette. Would you like to hear how I ended up on your beach this time? Yeah, I thought you might. There I was battling 2 dozen sea monsters. I was holding my own until one of them landed a devastating tickle attack, sent me tumbling overboard. Kasploosh, paddle, flail, blurble, herbal. Next thing I know, I'm being poked back to life on this very beach. Boy, talk about a close call. Can you believe it? That's your cue to laugh. Have you heard these before? Well, I'd love to stay and chat for several more hours, but the ocean is calling my name. Time to summon a rescue. Call for help using my handy dandy, oh my gosh. My handy dandy communicator is broken. This isn't handy or dandy. Oh, sardines, it's all cracked and busted. Looks like it's missing a few communicator parts too. That means I have to wait for my crew to find me on their own. That could take a while. I've only got a few nautical ponds to last for a couple of hours. I'm begging you here, will you look for my communicator parts, please? I will. Thank you. Your heart must be almost as big as your head. The communicator parts are probably buried in the sand somewhere. I'm just missing 5 parts. If you'll find them, I'll try to cram them back in here. Sure, my crewmates are looking for me, so I better stay here and watch for the boat. I'll leave the searching to you. I believe in you, partner. I mean, I don't have much of a choice. Well, I didn't think I was doing that today, but I guess I am. Right. Communicator part? Yes. Look, I dug up a communicator part. Right, awesome. Where are the others? Oh, this could be one. It is. Right. Any others? Where are... Oh. You look like quite a big fish. Are you a sea bass? Oh no, you're an oarfish. I caught an oarfish. Okay. Why? I mean, I didn't expect it, but okay. Right. Well, okay. I mean, I'll take it. You're a sea bass. I know that. Don't believe that you're not a sea bass. You definitely are. Right. Right, more communicator parts. Where the communicator parts at? Oh, another message. I already found one of these today. Water pump. I already know that DIY. I don't need it again. Oh, apparently you can find more in a day. I didn't know that, but I guess, well, now I do. Alright, so I've got 4 pieces. I just need 5. So I need one more. But I am going to go get these. Oh, my fucking net broke. Oh well. It is 9 o'clock, so I could actually get a tarantula, so I do need to, I need to go get another net. I got your communicator part, mate. I got it. Alright. There you go. Did you find them? Got them right here. That's them. Those are definitely my communicator parts. Come here, you little troublemakers. He's a happy bird. Alright, the pieces are crammed back in here. Let's see if this thing can send a message. Oi there, crew. It's me, your brother from another rudder. So listen, it happened again. Can you swing by to pick me up? Sending my coordinates now. Gulliver over and out. That should do it. You're the best. Thanks for all your help. I promise to return the favour. Be sure to check your mail in a few days. I'm going to send you something that will knock your flippers off. Just make sure you put some flippers on before you open it. And save. Nothing to do now but pace back and forth for the next few hours. Yeah, I know. That's what happens when you get lost constantly. Right. So let's go get another net. Oh. Hello. Right. What do I get? Boat shorts. They do look quite nice, to be fair. Right. It's been snowing all day in game as well. Literally, it's just constantly snowing. It's not like that over in the UK. We get like 20 minutes of snow and then it's gone. Like that's when it's falling down, and then that's about it. What do you want to do? I want to sell. What exactly are you offering? Right, seaweed, whelk, oarfish, a water pump. That's about it, really. All the fine things you brought in are 10,000 bells. Right. I need a net from you. Curious about what's in the cabinet. Yes, a flimsy net. Right, anything else look interesting? No. Right. You can tell I made quite a lot of money from diving. But I've done some stuff, I've done some like research on YouTube, and diving it is known as like one of the best ways of making money in the game. I didn't think it was one of the best, but I guess it is. Right. Let's dive. Hopefully I can find a lobster. I'm hoping. I'm really, really hoping. It can spawn in all day. So, I really, really want it to fucking spawn in. So far, there's nothing. Something definitely would have spawned in, and here we go. Oh, you're not moving fast enough. Carpel oyster. Huh. Not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a lobster. Oh, are you a lobster? And you're not moving fast enough. Sea slug. Not what I'm looking for. Alright. Something here? This might be a pearl. Nope, sea slug. Where are the lobsters? Come on, game. I really want a lobster. Why are you bullying me like this? Right. Oh, it's over here. Oh, fuck's sake. I am going to turn my map off, actually. Looks like the map won't work while I'm swimming. Okay, never mind. Actually, no, I'll go over here. I'll go on land and then turn it off. And I'll have it only turn on when I'm not moving. Right. Minimap. Off while moving. Always off, always on. Okay, off while moving. Alright, that's somewhat better. Right. Hopefully. Oh. Oh, you're not it. A mantis shrimp. I've already got one of them. I think. Yeah, I've already got one. It was moving quite quickly as well. I was hoping it was the fucking lobster, but it's not. It's not the lobster. I'm just finding sea slugs. All I'm finding. Why you do this to me, game? I don't deserve the bullying that you are doing to me. Right, is this it? No. Oh, bubbles, bubbles, please, lobster. It's not going to be a lobster, is it? It's not a lobster. No, it's fucking not. It's a sea anemone. I don't know how you say that, but... Anything. Anything, please. I just want a lobster. That's all I want. I'll do anything. I just want to find a lobster. After that, I'm happy. I'll be very happy. Just give me the lobster. You are not a lobster. Acorn barnacle. I don't want an acorn barnacle, game. I would like my lobster. It's being mean to me. Right, okay, there's something here. It's moving, but not fast enough. It's a scallop. Right, if I go on Nook Miles. Still got 17, so it hasn't changed at all. I think I have pretty much gotten everything I can get this month. There's probably a few things that I'm missing, to be fair. But hopefully, I am close. Something good, please. Your seaweed. I don't want seaweed. Right, let me have a look at how many creatures there are. Alright, it won't actually tell me. Oh, right, okay. I thought it would have told me, but no. I've got to actually get close to the thing and then it'll say how many there are. I think there's 80. There's 80 of each one. Oh, you're moving quite fast. Lobster? Please be a lobster. Please be a lobster. You're a mantis shrimp. I don't want a mantis shrimp. It was moving quite fast. Right, hang on. Let me just do something. Right. Hopefully. Right. So that's just medium. That mantis shrimp was going at medium speed. The lobster goes fast. But it's available all day. Like all day. So I am at the right time. This might be it, you know. This may be it. Hang on. No, that's probably very fast. That'll be the Venus's flower basket, won't it? I'm so close. I'm so close. I'm so close. Oh, come on. Come on, I'm spamming A. I'm spamming A. I am literally spamming A. I cannot catch up to it there. I literally cannot catch up to it. I really do think this is it though, because this looks like a large one, and the game says that the lobster's large. But it's taking me to the corner, so I should, if I just keep going this way, I should be able to corner it. Then it shouldn't get out. Oh, come on, game. Don't do this to me. Watch it not be a lobster. Watch it just not be a lobster. It'll be the fucking Venus's flower basket. I don't want a Venus's flower basket. It's not what I want. I don't want a crab. I just want the lobster, which I think is a type of crab, but I don't care. Please be a lobster. Please be a lobster. Oh my god. Oh no. fuck's sake. Why are you doing this to me, game? Honestly. I do not deserve this. I really don't. Oh my god. No, I'm so pissed. I'm so pissed. Why? This game is a bully. It's actually a bully. Like I actually thought that was the lobster then. It was moving quite fast. And it was big, but no. It was a fucking Venus's flower basket. I hate that. I hate that so much. I did not slip on my arse yesterday to come home to do this. I went so far to catch it as well. Honestly. You're bullying me. Are you bullying me? Alright. How much space? Alright, I can catch 2 more things. 2 more things. Hopefully, they are good things. Oh, are you a lobster? No, you're not. Oh my god. I did want a Venus's flower basket though. I really don't. I just want lobster. Well, I'm just going to check to make sure I definitely haven't donated one. Okay, I definitely haven't. Let's just... You prick. I hate it. Like the abalone I got that very quickly, and I'm happy. Lobster, why? I've seen like 3 Venus's flower baskets. I found 3 of them. And they're probably like the most difficult thing to catch. I found 3. Oh. This is moving at quite a fast speed. I think this is another one. This is another one, ain't it? This is another Venus's flower basket. So I'm going to do what I did with the flower basket. Spamming A. Alright, that's not going to work. I just have to trap it. My thumb, by the way, is hurting like mad. It's like really hurting. I know that, yeah, this is going to be a Venus's fucking flower basket. Because it's like medium size. Which is disappointing. I've gone too far. It's not gone the other way. Yeah, I'm not going to catch it that way. Come on, game. This means that I've found 4. I don't know if I'm going to catch the 4th, but... Well, I'm not going to catch that there. No! No! Come on! Please, game. Please. Game, please. Alright, corner it. Alright, I got it. Whoa. I got a sea pig. Okay. Wow, that's worth a lot. Wow, okay. I'll take it. You know, I'll take it's something new. I will take it. Right. That's fair enough. Right. Well, I didn't get the lobster, but it was something new that I don't have, and you look like a big fish. I'm going to catch you because there is a chance that you are something valuable. Right. Oh. I can't carry anything else, so I just let it go. Oh, fucking useless. Wow, game. Just wow. You had to do that to me, didn't you? I'm going to get this fucking lobster. I do not care what it takes. I will do it. Right. We're doing it again. So, I'm currently at... Oh, it doesn't show, but I'm at like 92,000 bells. Alright. Lobster? No. You're not a lobster. Lobster? See, the problem is, right, I'm probably going to be able to catch the lobster when I find it. Like, the flower basket, I think it's rarer than the lobster. So why am I finding more of them than I am the lobster? Doesn't make any sense. It makes absolutely no sense. Right, lobster. Real pearl. No, sea slug. Well, I don't know. Right, I'm going to do a bit of some research. Right, good news, and I got some bad news. The good news is I know a better way of sneaking up on them. I just need to do like the slow swim, and that'll... So I don't need to press A. If I just do this, I can sneak up on them. So I don't actually have to corner them, which is... It's interesting to know. Right. Are you what I'm looking for? No, you're another mantis shrimp. I'll take it, because you're a lot of money, but... I need lobster. But apparently the lobster is really, really rare. Like, some people have been fucking doing this for like 4 hours, and they still haven't found it. Which explains a lot about me. I mean, I'm born in October, and people say that if you're born in October, then you have really bad luck. Which honestly makes a lot of sense when it comes to being me. Right. Sea slug. But yeah, the lobster is like really, really fucking difficult to get. But I can get it back in April, which is kind of good. But like, I don't want to have to wait like 3 months to get it. Like, I know I have like 3 weeks, like, of time to get it. But like, I don't want to wait that long. Is this it? Alright, I think this might be it, you know. Right, so I'm gonna do this. Please be it. I found so many of you. So many. Please, game. Just give me a lobster every time. Every single time. Without failure. Right? Without failure, I look. Right? I look and I think I've got it. But I don't. I don't have it. And it's really fucking annoying me. I've probably got like 20,000 bells worth of those things. Honestly. Alright, Scallop. I'm happy to see you, but go away. Honestly. Like, how do people speedrun this? I don't get it. I really don't understand. Like, yeah, it's the easiest to do. But, like, why? Why you do this to me, game? Right, oh, there's something down here. Whoa, an acorn barnacle. Right. I don't want you. No, you're not it, are you? You're just a mantis shrimp. I've been finding a lot more of those recently. I don't know why. But I've been finding a lot more. Right? You could be a pearl. No, you're a fucking sea slug. I'm hoping... I think you can only get like one pearl a day. Which makes sense. But like, come on. Right. My thumb really does fucking hurt. I'm gonna get like arthritis in my thumb from doing this. Right, oh. No. Sea cucumber. Right, I can catch 6 more things. 6 more. I am not stopping until I catch it. No, another sea cucumber. Oh. Right. Another sea cucumber? Do you not think I have enough of those, game? Really? I have enough. I don't need any more. There's a balloon right there, but I don't care about that. I care about getting the lobster. Another sea cucumber! I have enough! I have found 4 in a row. 4 sea cucumbers in a row. I do not need any more. Right, are you what I need? No. Oh, up here, up here. Come on. No, you're not what I want. How many sea creatures have I caught? How many? Hang on, let's have a look. Deep dive. I'm at 161. 161! I caught like 80 things today, nearly. Or 70, I don't know. A lot. A lot, I've caught a lot. Acorn, barnacle. Right, how many things can I get? I can't get anything else. Right, well, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get that fucking inventory upgrade with my Nook Miles once I've sold all this stuff. Because I've donated the sea pig as well, in case anyone was wondering. I did that off camera, but yeah. I donated the sea pig. So I'm hoping now to hopefully get something good. Hello, Dizzy. I have things I need to do. I'm a very busy individual. But hopefully, just hopefully. Right. Right, I want to sell. These sea cucumbers better fucking pay me a lot. Right. Well, the fine things you brought in. 23,000. Honestly, I'm probably going to be able to, like, fucking be able to pay off that bridge at this rate. That's genuinely what's going to happen. Oh my god. Game, please. Give me the lobster. That's all I ask for. I'm not asking for anything else. I just want a fucking lobster. Please. Could not ask for anything else. I just want the fucking lobster. Please, game. Please give me what I want. Isabel and Tom Nook, what you doing? Right, oh yeah, redeem Nook Miles. No. Where is it? Oh yeah, ultimate pocket stuffing. Right, redeem 8,000 miles for an ultimate pocket stuffing, yes. Now generating ultimate pocket stuffing. Please do! Please! Your order has been printed. Okay. This totally makes sense. I've mastered the art of organising. I bet I can carry a lot of stuff now. Probably. Right. Welcome to the Nook Start. Please select from the following services. Yes, I want to deposit my money in here. Right. Probably going to make this video an hour if I really fucking need to. Because this should not take this long. I really want the fucking lobster. I really do. I don't want anything else. I just want a lobster. I'll do anything, game. I'll do anything. Just please. Give me the fucking lobster. I've never wanted something more in my life. Which says a lot, but still. I have caught 60 creatures, or possibly even more than that today. Just trying to find this lobster. And bearing in mind, I could have gotten it like after I caught 40 sea creatures. And I'm at like 160. Probably at 170 now. Nearly 180. It's so annoying. You are not it. You are not what I'm looking for. I mean, I'm not going to be able to sell everything to Nooks. Right. Gonna sneak up. And then you're probably gonna be... I think this is it, you know? I really do think this is it. I'm gonna sneak over. Come on. Come on. It's so fast. Holy shit. I do think this is a Venus's flower basket, though. It is, isn't it? No, it... Snow crab. I've already got one. I don't need... It's 6k. I don't need a fucking snow crab. I need the lobster. Come on, game. Please. I've got so many bells from selling underwater sea creatures. It's unbelievable. All I'm asking for is for a lobster. That's all I want. That's literally all I want. I don't want anything else. No, you're not what I want. Like, this is the only thing... Right, let me tell you something. This is the only thing that's leaving after January. The only creature leaving after January. I've got the abalone. I've got that, so I don't need to worry about that. I've donated that. It's the lobster that's leaving. Leaving after January in the Northern Hemisphere. And I'm in the Northern Hemisphere. Should have chosen Southern Hemisphere. Should have chosen it, honestly. Right. Are you what I want? No, you're not. I caught a whelk. I don't want a whelk. You look like a big fishy. You look like an oarfish. I think you are an oarfish, aren't you? What should be a sea bass? Yeah. It's a sea bass. Right. In you go. Honestly. I need to find out how rare a lobster is in this game. No, I don't want to know about it in real life. I want to know about it in the game. That's what I want to know. Oh my god. Right. I'm trying to find, like, what's... It won't tell me. Come on, game. Tell me how rare it is. That's what I want to know. I want to know how rare this fucking thing is. What are the chances that I can find one? Every time something spawns in, what is the percentage that it is what I'm looking for? You are definitely not it, because you would have started moving ages ago. I rest my fucking case. Right. Please, game. I don't ask for much. Apart from a lobster. But I don't ask for much. I just want it. Please. Are you a lobster? No, you're not. Right, you're an oyster. I'd say what if it's because I'm wearing this hat and sunglasses? Should I take the hat and sunglasses off and see if that's what's changing it? Is that the whole purpose? Right, there. There, game. There. The hat and sunglasses are off. Are you happy now? Jesus. Fucking Icon Barnacle, I don't want you. It's not what I was asking for. Right. Are you what I'm looking for? Probably not. No, you're a fucking scholar. Alright, this one's closer. It's big, but and it's moving. I got an abalo. Game, you're rubbing it in my face. You're actually rubbing it in my face. The game is genuinely fucking sitting there and being like, no, game. Just, no. I don't appreciate it. I really don't. Right. Are you what I'm looking for? Is it you? No. You are not. For God's sake. Right. What else? Please. They're just a lobster. I'll put different socks on. Got my black and blue ones on. I'll put my red ones on. Oh. I have a feeling you are not a lobster. You're not a lobster, are you? No, you're a Oh, you're new? A red king crab. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. I will take it. So now, I do think I am halfway there. Aren't I? Am I halfway there? No, wrong one. Okay, I'm almost halfway there. I'm almost. If I find the fucking lobster, I will be. Right, the red king crab. That's... Hang on. Because that's worth 8,000. Well, keeps getting my hopes and dreams up. Hang on. Let's have a look on Wikipedia. See what the game has to say about that. Got to catch a total of 80 sea creatures. So I've doubled that. Alright. Fucking chair's creaking like mad, but I don't care. I want to catch a fucking lobster. You're a sea star. I don't need you. I don't need or want you. You are not what I want. Well, the time is... this is the latest I've played, apart from 1 o'clock in the morning. That doesn't count, though. Right, I've got quite a lot of space. Oh. Lobster? No, you're a crab. Got enough for you. Got enough crabs. Right, oh, are you a crab? Not a crab, a lobster? I doubt it. No, you're a sea star. You're a fucking sea star. I'm gonna tell this story. Right, how I tried to get the lobster. I'm gonna tell this story like in the future. Give it like 3 months or 4 months, and I'm gonna tell this story. How I struggled to get the lobster. Because the fucking game hates me. The story will be told. The cat's meowing outside my room. Do you want to come in, Thea? Do you want to come in? Hang on. Do you want to come in? Come in. Come on then. Come on. I've opened the door. I'll leave the door open a slight bit for you. What? Oh, okay. Okay, she's jumped on my desk. She's climbing on the window. She jumped on my fucking arm! I keep getting these fucking crabs. It's really annoying me now. Right. Oh, no. The fucking snow's annoying me because I keep thinking that it's a bubble, but it's not. It's not a bubble, it's just a fucking crab. Right, there we go. Acorn barnacle, but you're not what I want. I don't want acorn barnacle. I want lobster. Right. Are you what I'm looking for? No. You are, in fact, not what I'm looking for. Right. You're definitely not what I'm looking for. Right, there we go, a sea anemone. Or that, if that's how you spell it, or pronounce it. I don't fucking know. I've given up ages ago. Right, I'm gonna shut the door. Right, the door's been shut. Thea, be grateful I've let you in. Right. I'm suffering. I'm suffering immensely. This is too much for a man. It's too much for someone like me. I don't deserve this pain. No, I don't need you. I've found so many of these things. How much are they worth? How much? 500. Not what I want. Watch this be another one as well. Oh no, it's seaweed instead. How much is this? 600. I mean, it's worth more. I don't know how seaweed is worth more, but... Alright then. How much space do I have left? Okay, I can catch 2 more things. And then... I won't even get to get full price for it all, because... Nook's Cranny's probably shut now. Right. I've spent more time in the water than I have on land this video. Let me just say that. More time in the ocean. I mean, you'd think that my character would run out of fucking energy and die, but... Right, a pearl. I'll take that. That's okay. I'll allow that. Because I want them. Because they're very rare DIYs. But everything else... Go fuck yourself. Right. Let us return. Donate the item that I got that is new. And then end the whole video there. Because, game, you're just not nice to me. You're not nice. Right. I really did. I love how this entire video is dedicated to trying to get the fucking lobster, and I didn't even get it. I got 2 new things though. I got 2 new things, but I didn't get the lobster. I'll take it though. I will take it. I'm gonna look in like the water part, like the deep sea part of the museum. Just look at all the shit that I've got. Because I've got like almost half now. Fingers crossed. Oh, so this is all like the river and pond. And it looks nice. There's nothing in here yet. I think that's where the coelacanth goes. But yeah, there's not a lot here. Which doesn't surprise me, honestly. That doesn't really surprise me. I haven't done a lot of fishing. Even though I could. I'm just not a big fan of the fishing, to be fair. I don't like it. Right, this is the ocean part, I think. I thought I'd donated anchovies. Why are they not here? That's a pond smell. I found an anchovy, but I've never donated it. I just sold it. Oh my god. And I've done the same with a sea bass. I haven't donated a sea bass. No way. I've found so many sea bass and I haven't donated it. Are you taking the piss? Wow. Out of everything. And I haven't donated it. You, game, you suck. I've donated the bugs, but I haven't donated the fucking... Look at that lonely horse mackerel in there. I feel so bad for him. Right, well, let's go look in the deep sea. Oh, here it is. This... Well, you can see all the bloody Venus flower baskets that I've fucking sold. Not sold, donated. Yeah, you can't deny it. The museum in this game looks really, really nice. Like, I really like it. It looks so much better than, like, the older games where it was kind of just, like, a room and then it's like, hey, look, here's all the shit you've got. In this game, it actually shows it off, and I like that they've done that. I like that. I mean, look at this. You can actually go into the thing. It's so cool. I can't wait until I actually fill it all up. Like, it's going to look amazing when it's all full. But yeah, I do think I'm going to end the video there, though. So obviously, I do hope you did enjoy. I do apologise. I know it's been a massive waste of time. I'm well aware of that, and I really am sorry. But if you did enjoy, please do let me know and subscribe. And if you have any tips, any tips on how to get the lobster, please, I'm begging you, tell me. And I'll see you all tomorrow.